I have 3 video clips placed on the timeline. To create a smooth and dynamic whip pan transition, start by going to the Project panel. Right-click, select New Item, and choose Adjustment Layer. Make sure the width is set to 1920 by 1080 and the time base is 25 frames per second. Once that's set, click OK. Now, drag and drop this adjustment layer directly between the 2 clips where you want the transition to happen. Right-click on the adjustment layer, go to Speed Duration, and set the duration to approximately 10 frames, not seconds. To align it precisely, use Alt plus left or right arrow keys to nudge it into place. With the playhead positioned at the start of the adjustment layer, go to the Effects panel and search for 3 effects: Offset, Directional Blur, and Transform. Drag and drop all of them onto the adjustment layer. Next, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Under the Offset section, create a keyframe for Shift Center and change its horizontal value to around 240. Then under Directional Blur, keyframe both direction and blur length. Set the direction to 180 and the blur length to around 60. Finally, in the Transform section, enable and keyframe the shutter angle, setting it to 180. Now, move the playhead to the end of the adjustment layer and reset all the previously keyframed values back to their defaults. Select all keyframes, right-click, go to Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease In. Then, right-click on just the first set of keyframes and apply Ease Out. This will make the motion smoother and more cinematic. To reuse the effect on another clip transition, simply select the adjustment layer, press Ctrl-C, move the playhead to the desired cut, and press Ctrl-V to paste it. You've now applied the same whip pan effect to the next set of clips as well. Lastly, to preview your final result, select all the clips, go to the Sequence menu, and choose Render In to Out. That's it! Your whip pan transition is now complete. And it looks fantastic! If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video.